Hello students, one of the very important section C or section B question. If a rational expression is given and the value of the irrational number is given, find the final answer only in terms of decimal form. One very important advice, you can't substitute the value in the beginning, you have to substitute only at the last step, that is in the simplest form. First reduce into simplest form and then substitute the value of root 5 equal to 2.236 and root 10 equal to 3.162. So, very important, do not forget, you can't substitute these two values in the beginning, you can substitute only in the simplest form. So, what is a given problem? The given problem is 25 by root 40 minus root 80. So, we can further simplify. So, what is root 40? Root 40 equal to 4 into 10 equal to 2 root 10 and root 80 equal to 16 into 5. So, which is equal to 4 root 5. 4 root 5. Clear? Now, which is equal to 25 by what is the value? 2 root 10 minus 4 root 5. 25 by 2 root 10 minus 4 root 5 into conjugate. So, what is the conjugate of this? 2 root 10 plus 4 root 5 by 2 root 10 plus 4 root 5. Clear? So, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So, what is a? 2 root 10 and this is 4 root 5. And numerator, and another very important advice, do not multiply this irrational number by 25, always keep this number as it is 25, the value is 2 root 10 plus 4 root 5. Clear? So, which is equal to 25 2 root 10 plus 4 root 5 by 2 root 10 whole square. Actually, this number is taken from only this. So, here this is plus 40 minus 4 root 5, 16 into 5, 80. 16 into 5, 80. So, I'll always assume let a equal to. What is the advantage of this assumption? Wherever if you start at the new place, you can no need to write this big expression, use this alphabet. Okay. Therefore, what is a equal to? A equal to 25 by 40 minus 80 minus 40 into 2 root 10 plus 4 root 5. 4 root 5. Clear? 5 5s are 5 8s are. So, minus 5 by 8, 2 into root 10. Now, very important, this is the simplest form. So, only at this stage you have to substitute these two values. Clear? So, 2 into what is root 10? 3.162. 3.162 plus 4 into root 5, 2.236. 2.236. Which is equal to minus 5 by 8, 2 2s are 4 and 16 12 and this is 3 and this is 6 plus 4 6 are 24, 2 2 14 1 8, which is equal to minus 5 by 8 at both the decimal numbers. 4 plus 4 8, 4 plus 2 6, 9 plus 3 12, 1 plus 8 9 15. Clear? Now simplify this. You can cancel this. How many times? 1 times. So remainder 7, 72.72. 9 times 9 8s are 72 and 6 not possible, 68, 8 8s are correct to round off places. So, if you multiply this minus 5 into 1.909 correct to 3 decimal places. So, if you multiply minus of 9 5s are 45, 5 because of 0, 4, and this is 45, 4, 9.545, 9.545. So don't forget, you can substitute the decimal value only in the simplest form. So this is simplest form, correct, not in the beginning. Whatever the given expression, assume that expression is a, multiply and divide by its conjugate because the denominator is binomial, and then reduce into simplest form. So you can substitute the given data decimal value only in the simplest form, write the final answer in terms of decimal form. So you can practice more sum for more marks. Thank you.